When I see a price tag that says reduced, I jump to that faster than Carl Lewis down the face of El Capitan. Even if it's something I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use. Chorizo and plain old sliced mushroom. And who knows how old this chorizo was. Typically you're supposed to remove the casing, but the casing doesn't bother me that much. You won't see produce like this at the Fresh Tactics food bar. If I pan fry it, no one will know the difference. For $1.29, it's borderline larceny. And this entire omelet costs less than 200 pennies. It's for all you people pinching out there. Chorizo isn't my favorite sausage, but at that price, I'll use it. To me, at least this brand, it is very fine. It has absolutely zero texture to me. It's basically a Mexican hot dog. Chorizo is like a highly seasoned pork paste in a casing. It's like a Mexican glizzy, if you want to call it that. Paste. With paprika and ground chili. You think it's gonna be hot, but it's not. Hottie or naughty. I am not a good omelet maker. I don't even own a proper omelet pan. This is probably about a day away from being in the grocery store dumpster, and I'm hoping it won't kill me. I'm just using an old saute pan from 1965. It ain't got no nonstick. Now, would I use this mushroom on a salad? Hell to the no. This doesn't look like the cat collar kitten. This is a big ass omelet. Add the diced chorizo, some sauteed mushrooms, add some jalapeno for some zing, top with some grated nacho cheese. And I am not going to attempt to flip this. I don't moonlight at the Waffle House. It would end up straight in the dustpan. No 10-second rule around here. My kitchen might as well have a dirt floor sometimes. Since I can't flip this thing onto the plate, I'm just going to invert the plate, burn myself, and sort of successfully transfer the omelet to the plate. This doesn't look like the belle of the ball. I top this omelet with a little bit of American cheese and pepper jack cheese. I'm also attempting to cover up the fact that this thing was breaking up like the Titanic.